we're going to create a meme coin together. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. And I'm going to show you how to make a ton of money from this. And you might be like, hey, I don't have any experience on launching a coin. I don't know. I'm scared. How do I come up with an idea? How do I make a website? How do I sell? My friend, what if I told you there is now an AI Solana pump.fun bundler, which comes up with coin name, the coin image, it creates a website. It does AI selling where based off of the volume, if someone buys in and in a few seconds it goes up like 50, 40, 30% or whatever, it will sell a few percent so you can get maximum extraction and so much more. Like this shit's like completely fucking game changing. As you see, this coin called Please was launched on pump.fun for just a few $100 and it shot up to over $55 million in market cap. As you can see, this coin called Please. And what better way to launch a coin than with a bundler bot which has full AI capabilities? I'm talking about AI coin creation, where it looks at DEX Screener trending in the past 24 hours and it analyzes 50 of the most trending coins, the coins which shot up the most on Solana in the past 24 hours, and it generates coin ideas. As you can see, this coin called GoGo, there's so many. You can refresh if you don't like what's showing, and so much more. This is BundleBee.fun. It is the first AI-powered Solana bundler for pump.fun, which has features such as AI token creation, where it allows you to launch a 100% AI coin within seconds, requiring no input from you at all. It comes up with a good coin idea by itself based off of what's currently trending in the past 24 hours on meme coins. It generates you an image. It can also create you an AI website where it just creates a website for you completely automatically. AI selling. Let's say your coin goes up 20-30% in just 2 seconds. The AI will sell a few percentage of your holdings based off of the volume by every single second, so you can maximize your extraction. There's so many other features, but full disclosure, I am one of the owners in Visibot, BundleBee.fun, and we have made this bundler 3 times faster than all the other ones out there. I'm not even joking, I'll show you. Keep watching. We're also the only bundler to use the early block bundling method, which is fully undetectable by trading bots such as BullX and Photon. You know, we show the little rat icon, and as I said, we are 3 times faster than our competitors. Wallet manager, you can create up to 28 buy wallets, the highest that any other bundler has, plus dev wallets, so 29 wallets in total that you can control directly from the bot. Telegram bot, by the way, which can be accessible anywhere from your phone, your PC, even your TV. Some people who bought a subscription to our bot launched the coin on the TV. I'm not even joking. But our AI allows you to distribute unevenly so it doesn't show up on bubble maps, so percentages aren't correlated. You know, one wallet will have, for example, 2%, another one will have just 0.5, etc. So people can't really tell that it's you. You know, for educational purposes, of course. There's so many features that I don't want to yap about them. I just want to show you it. But weekly, we cost 2 Solana. And you get access to everything. Our game-changing AI, which is trained mainly for meme coin launches, in which we have been developing for over 3 months. And we also have monthly for 5 Solana and lifetime for 15. But if you want to get the bot, link in description for BundleBee. And once you go on the site, you want to click the main button and it will send you to the BundleBee bot on Telegram. You get greeted with this start menu, which has so many features. Like I said, AI coin architect, bump and volume bot, commenter, AI distribution wallet manager, and so many other features. I'm going to cover all of them right now, and we're going to launch a coin together. All right, but first, to actually use any of the features, you obviously need to subscribe. So you either just click the subscribe button right here, or you go in subscription, and then you can choose your subscription. I'm going to do weekly. We're currently having a discount on all of our subscriptions. So if you want to do subscribe weekly, as you can see, you have to fund your subscription wallet address. So copy the wallet address, and you're going to want to send some Solana over to it. For example, if it's 2 Solana, I recommend you send 2.01, just so you can cover any transaction fees, etc. And now I'm going to press subscribe weekly, and it's processing, and boom, weekly subscription purchased successfully. And if we go back, we now have access to the entire bot. If we type in /start, we have the wallets, the AI comment bot. Pretty much every single thing on BundleBee is powered by our AI. All right, so you can launch the traditional way. If you already have a coin idea and an image, website, etc., you just press create a new token. But first, you need to create a few wallets. So you go on wallets right here, and you need to create a dev wallet, or you can add an existing dev wallet. So I'm going to create a new dev wallet. And we have the public key and the private key. You want to save this down, then next. when you want to create a fund wallet. This is where you're going to be funding your wallets from / sending your profit to. So create fund wallet. And now you can create buy wallets or add in an existing buy wallet. And this is how many wallets you want to buy in with. I'm going to do 5 just as an example, but you can do up to 28. Okay, now we have all of our wallets created. And as you can see, we see the current Solana price and all the info that we need. So first you can actually top up your fund wallet, but basically if you send Solana to the dev wallet and all the other buy wallets from the fund wallet, they will be linked. So what we recommend you do is you manually send Solana to each and every single wallet from different sources, so it's not linked. But just as an example, I'm going to send a few Solana to the fund wallet and show you how it works. Alright, so we have just over 2 Solana now, and I'm going to transfer it to the dev wallet, top up. Like I said, I recommend that you send it manually. But just as an example, I want to show you that it works. Transfer from fund wallet. I'm going to transfer 0.5 Solana. As you can see, destination wallet, confirm, it's processing, and boom. As you can see, the dev wallet has 0.5. Now to actually distribute to the buy wallets, you want to press distribute to buy wallets, press distribute to buy wallets, or you can add more buy wallets. But I'm just going to distribute. Please enter the total amount of Solana to distribute amongst 5 buy wallets. And it shows you the fees covered, such as the Jito tip, transaction fees, etc. And it shows you the minimum. I'm going to do 1.35, actually 1.34. Press enter, and it shows you the distribution plan, and you can actually update this. But let me show you before you actually confirm. If you don't like the percentages or distribution in here, if you type in /settings, you have distribution variation, where essentially, as the name suggests, you can type in the variation of the buy wallets. You know, so some will have 0.1, 0.3, etc. But I'm just going to keep it as 20%. But if you want to increase the distribution or lower it, you can do that. Just remember /settings and distribution variation. Also, while we're here, I recommend you set yours to at least 20%. So update slippage right here. Priority fee should be at least 0.015. That's what I do at least, just to ensure that the bundles go through successfully. And Jito tip, I do the same amount. However, we have our recommended amounts here. But I always just overpay the tips and the fees, so Jito gets my transactions out first. But okay, I'm happy with this distribution, so I'm going to press confirm, loading, and boom, distribution completed. Now if we go back, as you can see, our buy wallets have been distributed in. But before we do that, as I said, you can do a normal launch or an AI launch. Normal launch is very simple. You just press create a new coin, you type in the token name, you send the image, etc. Very simple. It's in our Git book if you want to know how to do that, or I cover it in this video right here, or in my previous video on how to create a coin. But we also have a commenter feature, an AI commenter feature, where as you can see, you can add comments to be sent to the token page, and loaded comments can be manually sent using the send comments button. You can view your comments. As you can see, we have, no comments loaded in currently. And what loaded means is just basically ready to comment. So you can make a bunch of comments, which are, like let's go, dev is base, etc. But add comments, as I said, you can type in some comments that you want, or you can use our AI to generate. So let me press generate real quick, and please briefly describe the type of comments you want to generate and the amount. So I'm going to type in, for example, comments such as dev is based, dev has done a ton of previous projects which sent to 1 mil, Anson bought in AO, JK. And you want, for example, let's say I want 10 comments such as these, but you can do as many as you want. So press enter is generating the comments, and boom, we have generated comments. Dev is based. We have all these comments. I'm not going to read all of this, but you can do as many comments as you want. If we go back, view our comments now, we have the comments, and once you press send comments, they will send. And okay, now one last thing before we launch the coin, we have take profits, and we also have AI selling. So you want to go into settings right here, or type in /settings, go and adjust default take profit, and you can add in take profits here and AI selling. Now how AI selling works is it will sell a percentage of your holdings when the price moves up quickly. It's not like take profit where, let's say, it goes up 100% within the span of 2-3 hours, then it will not sell. But let's say somebody buys in, like a big whale buys in, or somebody buys in, the price goes up like 20, 30, 40%. The AI bot will sell the optimal amount, so it can give you the maximum extraction basically. But this only activates when the coin reaches 20k market cap, because if it was previously, the 5, 10k ranges, if it goes up 10%, you're not really going to make much. So it activates at the 20k USD market cap. But we also have take profits we can turn on, just manual take profits. Press add. The left is for profit/loss percentage trigger point, and the right input is for the percentage of holdings to sell. And you can have as many take profits as you want. I'm just going to do, for example, 50% take profit. And for the sell percentage, I'm going to type in 50%. And then I'm going to do 100% profit. And I'm going to do sell 100%. Obviously, you can play around with these. You can add as many as you want. And if you actually want to remove a take profit, just click any of the buttons and type in 0% and it will be removed. So we have our take profits on. We have our AI selling on. All right, so if you go back and we are now finally ready to launch our coin. We covered a lot of ground, covered all the features. There's still more, but I don't want to bore you guys. So AI coin architect, this is probably the thing that you want the most. You can get the coin idea made, the coin image made in this with our AI, and a website all in one. So let me press it, and it already shows us a ton of ideas. CAD AI, it shows you the ticker, the name, the image idea, description as well. If you go back, we have degen, live casino streamings, degenville. These aren't like trashy like AI descriptions or names like poop cat coin or whatever. These are ideas that our AI has came up with after looking at the top 50 trending coins. Essentially shows you the image idea as well, etc. But let's just use degenville, but there's a ton more and you can always refresh it. But degenville sounds like it could send. I have a good feeling about this, so I'm going to use degenville. I'm going to press use, and it's generating the image. Just give it a few seconds while it generates, and it has generated an image already. You're going to see it in just a moment. Now, what is the Twitter link for your token? I don't have one. I recommend you create a Twitter and a Telegram. I covered that in my previous videos, but I'm not going to cover it in this because it's very, very simple. But I'm just going to use my Twitter that you should follow, by the way, OzoomSoul. What's the Telegram link for your token? I'm going to just use my alpha group, which you should join, by the way. I'm going to be streaming a 1 Solana to 100k trading challenge soon. Press enter. What is the website link for your token? Now, this is really important. If you have a website created for your coin, paste it in. But if you don't, press skip. I'm going to explain why. So press skip, and as you can see, it's loading in, and we have our image, our coin image. It's very nice, very high quality. Degenville. You have the description, name, symbol, our entire buy plan. But as you can see, you have a button called create website. This will also create an AI website for your coin, where it will create a website for your coin automatically. Now, this is really, really game changing, because if you launch a ton of coins every single day, if you're running like a little factory, as I like to call it, then time is of the essence. You want to basically be launching coins left and right. And getting website devs, etc. takes time. And of course, you can get website devs. And speaking of website devs and meme coin creation, if you could join this Discord right here, discord.gg/alphavol. It's a meme coin dev community which I made. We have over 1,000 members strong, and we have a ton of people who are making a crap ton of money, who share coin ideas, people who make custom websites, etc. if you don't want one of those AI websites that we give. But in my opinion, the AI websites are good for meme coins. So I'm going to press create website. It will charge 0.1 Solana from the fund wallet, so make sure you have at least 0.1 Sol in the fund wallet if you want to get an AI website. I'm going to press create website. It's loading, processing payment. This should only take a couple of seconds, and boom, website created successfully. And it gives you the website URL and the editing URL. So if we copy the website URL and we have the AI website degenville, as you can see, it's pretty plain right now, but you have the contract address. The thing is, with our bundler, you actually get the contract address before you even launch. So if you want to, do some other stuff with that, then you can do that. But you have the buy now button, for example, on Jupiter, but it doesn't show yet because you haven't created the coin, Telegram, and the Twitter. But if you want to edit this website to make it more custom, you can just go on the editing URL, paste it in on Google, and you're going to want to select the dev wallet, but I haven't got the dev wallet in my Phantom. But you can edit it. It's very simple. I'm going to pop up a video right here of editing it, and you can have the original one, the one we're using right now, or you can have a minimal one if you press apply, reload. You can have just a normal website, or you can use the original template, which I recommend you use the original, but you can use the minimal one if you have like an AI coin or something like that. And content. Now you can add a ton of stuff on here. So the logo right here, official Marlon heading. You need to see what other websites are doing and then essentially base your website off of that, if you understand what I'm saying. There's no concrete answer for this, so I'm not going to spend too much on the site, but you can add a countdown. So launching soon. Set the date to, for example, today, and we're going to be launching in 1 hour. Style, you can change general colors. So the background could be like a light blue, like an American one. The text could be, change the text so it's white. Header, make it the same color, or make it darker blue. There's so much you can do, but the possibilities are endless. change the text to white. And you've already got a decent looking website if you change the color so it's red, white, and blue like the American flag, because you know it's Donald Trump's second wife. If you go back, we can change some other things. Show the contract address, launching countdown as well. Show countdown. And it's gonna update once we actually make the site public. But you can add so much stuff on here. You can create a website in just 2 minutes. You have a custom domain with it as well. So you want to press update, and it will charge you 0.1 Solana for the creation. I'm just being completely honest to you guys. But if you want to spam these coins out, or you know how others spam these coins out, this is very good. You want to have a simple website. Obviously this website doesn't look the best because I spent like a few seconds on it, but that just shows you what you can do if you, for example, spend a few minutes on it. If you spend 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes, spend a good amount of time on the website, make sure it's good, and you should achieve some results. But that's how you edit the website. We partnered with Token X to use AI for this. But now once we press continue, it's loading in. So okay, we're back on the buy plan. Verify everything, make sure you're happy with it, make sure the links are there, description, image. You gotta pray that you're gonna make money. I'm gonna press confirm, and processing token creation, and send token creation bundle, and boom, our coin is created just like that. You go on pump.fun, as you can see, we are already at 4.5k market cap, and we have bought in. There's a few other people, for example this guy who bought in for 2 Solana, and boom, our take profit just hit. We sold 50%, we sold 50%, as you can see, just instantly 50%, and boom, 100% take profit just sold again. All right, fast forward a few hours. I got caught up in some personal stuff, but basically I made around 0.2 Solana off of this coin in literally just a few seconds. As you saw, the take profits got hit instantly. Somebody bought in for 2 Solana, and a few other people bought in. Around 3 Solana of external buys purchased the coin, and then we have all of our bundles as well, which aren't detectable on BullX. As you can see on BullX, there are no rat icons. There's only 1.1% insider holding, but that's, you know, people who are still holding, which is not the case. So it's fully undetectable. Like I said, you know, make sure to send and fund your wallets from different ones. Because I distributed the funds on BundleBee, it can be traced back because, you know, they all originate from the same wallet, but it still proves that it works, and it's absolutely insane. So that's how you make around 0.3 Solana in literally just a few seconds. The coin idea was made by our AI, the website, everything, etc. I didn't even edit the website because I was too lazy to not even lie to you, but people still buy in. Because that's the power of an AI, which knows what it sends. That's literally what we have been working on for so long. Take profits got hit instantly, no marketing done, no nothing. Imagine you market your coin like Trump or like the other ones like Please Coin, then you can really make so much money. I know this myself. So if you're interested in BundleBee, link in the description or bundlebee.fun, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get this money.